Hey guys, what is up? So I asked over on Instagram if you wanted to see a plan with me and you all voted yes. So that is what I'm doing today. I'm filming this plan with me. I haven't been feeling really good the past few days, and so I just decided that I'll sit down and do this plan with me, and then hopefully maybe it'll help me feel a little better. I actually got this little Victoria's Secret inspired sticker kit from LittleDogPaperCo, and I think it was on sale, but either way, I really love it. I think it's super adorable. I'm not huge on these two, but we'll figure out how to use it in there. But anyway, so we have these full boxes here, and then we have like the little date covers and the little extras. And I don't know why, but it didn't come with numbers, so I already like pre-filled in the numbers on here. And then we just have the weekend banner and some of the little sidebar things, and I really like that these are all like really cute, written out: date night, me time, trash day, all that good stuff. And then we have some half boxes with like the glitter headers, more glitter headers, and then the other little headers. And then this is the check boxes, and I pre-filled them in because these are the days that I know like for sure this is what I wanted, so I just filled them in before. I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I don't know where I put my little whiteout, so I'm just gonna use this one. I had like the little tiny one from Bic, but no clue where it's at. Okay, I forgot how much I actually hated this. This stuff is awful. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and let this dry a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and stick these on. I actually wanted to mention that I don't really like my hourly setup anymore. This coming week, when it's time to order from the new planner launch, I'm going to be going back to the vertical because I just am not huge on the hourly. I thought that I would prefer it, but I don't. So do you guys prefer having the hourly, or do you guys like having horizontal or vertical? What is your favorite planner style? Because I think that I fell in love so much with the vertical, and then when I was trying to do this one, I figured with work and everything, having the hours would be a little bit easier to just write it in, but I actually do not prefer it at all. So I think I'm gonna actually go with the neutral vertical. And I don't like that like all of these like date covers, they don't fit the whole thing because it's hourly, because it's meant for verticals. I think I'm gonna do this full box right here. Yeah, see, that whiteout shows way too much. I really don't like that, but there's not much I can do about it now. Okay. So since these don't fully fit, see how there's like just like a tiny bit left, I'm gonna take these and push them as far as I can all the way across, and then I'm going to just cut it off with my X-Acto knife because it really truly bugs me. Okay, so actually part of this got cut off, but I just finished putting all of the glitter headers straight across to cover that up, because I'm gonna try to not use my whiteout since it's just not working very well for me. I totally thought that these were glitter headers. I didn't even think about it being washi because it looked just like the glitter headers. So see, what I don't like about the hourly is that there's always like a little bit of extra room left over, but I'm not that picky, so I'm not super worried about it. And then I'm just gonna take this and go over this little section here. All right, now I'm gonna do these little headers for work, and since I'm trying not to use too much of that whiteout, gonna kind of flop that right in the middle there. So every morning, I really am starting to like the full box checklists, because before I never really used them, but now that I have a lot more going on with working from home, it's really nice to keep track for when I wake up. I have my pre-workout, and I do personal development, I do my workout, my shake, and then I'll start doing my business tracker, like in that order. So I really like to be able to check these things off as I go throughout my day. And I think that's why I really miss having the vertical planner. So once next week comes, I will definitely be getting that planner. We have that there, and then I'm going to add a few more glitter headers here at the top for the weekend banner, so that the weekend banner has somewhere to go. A little slanted, but hey, that's okay. It covers up the little 7, so I'm good with that. Okay, now, so over here for this little sidebar, I decided that I'm going to put this one down. And also keeping the hydrate tracker right about here. So that looks pretty good, I think. Okay, so Mondays are like always my busiest days, like hands down. We always have a team call on Monday, like a company-wide call every single Monday. If you need pens, this one right here, this Sharpie pen is my absolute favorite. And that's just the name of our little company calls, NWC. So I just put that on there. And I have to go to Target because I have to do a return. I bought leggings last week and they did not fit, and their fitting rooms were closed because of, I guess because of like the virus or whatever. I don't know, I was confused why the fitting rooms were closed, but then when I like went to go return them, so was customer service or whatever, they were closed too. So that also did not happen. So they said that they would be open on Monday for returns. So I'm gonna go and do a return there. And then I'm going to get an air fryer from Target. Going to mark that in. And then also on Mondays, I catch up on Good Girls. Week 5 of boxing starts. It's a 6-week program that I'm doing, and so I'm on week 5 this week. So now moving on to Tuesday. I don't have a whole lot planned for Tuesday, just filming. So I'm gonna put this girl down here. She can stand fierce. And this is so that I remind myself to order more of my supplements. Okay, and then I'm going to be going live on Instagram on Tuesday. I'm trying to go live more over on my Instagram just because I know that a lot of people interact more with my account, and so I've been going live and like sharing recipes and sharing like little tips. So I'm going to go ahead and write that in. And then I'm also going to film the following week's video on Tuesday. So Simba gets his little pill on the 29th. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that down with one of these. And I got this cute, look at this cute little guy, how adorable. I think that this is from, is it Planning with Ambo or Planning with Arlo or something like that? Actually, I think, is it on here? Planning with Ambo. There you go, Plan with Ambo. So I'm gonna just put that right there, that little guy, because he gets his little flea and like heartworm and stuff pills on the 29th, and then phone bill is due on the 29th also. It comes out automatically though, but I still like to keep track of it. Gonna put that right there like that. And then what do we have? It's really funny, I used to really not like planning like this where everything is completely covered, but I'm finding that I don't need as much space as I thought I did, and it's more so for me to go back and check what I actually need to get done. So let's see here. I have Bible study that night, so we are going to put that over here. Okay, and then we're going to put Bible study right down here, plopped in the middle. Oh, maybe I should cover that up. This little don't forget. There we go. See? Okay, so good head to Thursday. Every Thursday we have our not my company call, but like our team call. It's a lot cuter because we're adding in, you know, little nail polishes. It's like a little group hangout, and we do it over Zoom and everything, and so I just think that this is really cute. I'll put it like that. Going to check into Riverdale. Thursday is also my payday. Put that this. The last day of the month is the last chance for us to hit our work numbers. So any last like big goals or numbers or anything that we have for my job, the last day of the month is the last day to hit that. So Friday is a rent day, so rent is due. I think I'm gonna take this cute one right here and just kind of plop it in the middle here. It's cute little like Brooklyn Bridge. And I'm going to put down Brooklyn Nine-Nine because I've also got into that a lot recently. Friday is usually like our little like family movie night. So I have these little like thing of stickers. Might actually end up going to get some groceries Friday too, because we don't have a set date for groceries, but the weekend is usually when we end up going to get them. So I'm gonna put this little grocery shop sticker right there, and then my weekends just kind of bounce around like however. I'm gonna put that down, that I have my car payment on Saturday. And then to be honest, the rest of the day is sort of just kind of up in the air. I do want to do some work on Saturday. I don't have a set schedule at all, but I typically don't do any work on Sundays, and I just don't do as much work on Saturdays. So I'll still get some work in, but not quite everything that goes into the rest of the week. So I get a little bit done. That way we can still have family time and like hang out. I'm gonna just put this little guy here. And I still will do my personal development, but I don't have a workout on Saturday because the boxing program is like off on weekends. So I'll do some personal development, and then I will do a bit of my tracker, and I'm going to do a power hour, and I'm just going to leave those two things extra there for right now. And I will get some laundry done on a Saturday as well. And then Sunday is our biggest lazy day. So I don't do any work or anything today, or well, on Sunday. So we just concentrate on church and then just relaxing, getting our naps in and all of that good stuff. I'm actually going to cover this up. Ugh, this consistency is awful. And then I'm going to put family dinner. Obviously, like we always have family dinner, but I just want to fill this out. Put this down here, and then we might end up doing a game night. Okay, so I'm gonna plop this guy. Let's see. This is gonna go right here, just for like a nap time, and then game night will go right there. And then this, we always take naps, like literal like family naps. I'm just gonna cover this up with another little. All right, so this is my finished week, and yeah, I think it turned out really cute. I'm actually really starting to love planning with like full kits now, and I'm really excited to get the new planner. I cannot wait. And I love that this is all just super cohesive. I don't know. I really like the Victoria's Secret theme. I actually used to work there like years ago. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, let me know, and let me know if you want more, and make sure to go follow me over on Instagram, and I will talk to you guys next week. Bye.